when it comes to wine, I'ma drink it, okay? Hey little mamas, welcome back to another weekly vlog. For those that are new, hey girl, hey boy, my name is eri.reneee. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Girl, I look busted, crusted. I look insane, y'all. Like y'all, I just woke up, so my eyes are like puffy. But good morning. Today is Friday, December the 3rd. We love Fridays over here, okay? That means it's the end of the week, my last day working, because I don't work on weekends. Thank God. But yeah, so this morning I went to the grocery store yesterday, y'all. Well, my mama went to the grocery store for me because I just ain't been having time. Like, I've been working so much overtime, y'all. It's just, I'm not complaining, but I've been working so much overtime, so I haven't really had time to, you know, get out and do stuff. But yeah, this morning I'm gonna make me a smoothie. I've got some kale, so I'm gonna use some kale, spinach. Matter of fact, let me get it for y'all, and I'm gonna be using my little NutriBullet. Yeah, I've really been eating like small portions. I've lost like 4 pounds. 4 pounds is better than gaining, so I'm not complaining. So yeah, I'm just really trying to keep it with the small portions and eating healthy. What is So I got yogurt, spinach, alright y'all. When I make my smoothies, I feel like I just do like the most simplest little things. Yeah. I'm just real plain Jane. Look how much kale I have, y'all. Like this big thing right here. So I'm at the okay, so what I'm using is mangoes. I should have got low fat. Oh, this is low fat yogurt. Okay. So low fat yogurt. You don't have to use yogurt in your smoothies. I don't know why I use yogurt, y'all, because it really doesn't even really make a difference. I guess it makes it more creamy. I don't know. And then I have spinach, and then of course my kale. So let's make our smoothie. I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna wash off the kale, of course, y'all. You know, you gotta wash off your veggies. I'm not gonna put that much kale in it because kale really has like a strong like taste. But I really have a goal set, and I really want to reach it by the end of the year. Like, my goal, okay, it may seem far-fetched to some of y'all, but I'm gonna tell y'all my goal, okay? Because if you know anybody who can help me with my goal, all they need to do is just subscribe. So my goal is honestly to reach 1,000 subbies. Right now we're at 623. It may seem far-fetched to some, but you never know what might happen between now and the end of the month. Like, you never know what might happen. So that is honestly my goal, and I've been manifesting it. I'm gonna be working hard, posting videos, being consistent. So yeah, girl, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to your girl, because I want to get to 1,000. okay? I'm taking my braids out today, y'all, because I'm getting them redone like on the 15th, I think. And yeah, I just want to let my hair breathe. Okay, let's see. Let's see how this is, girl. It's pretty good. I taste that kale. Girl, that kale be strong, like.
Girl, yeah, we gotta go to Atlanta. We gotta plan a trip.
Yeah. First shot of Douce.
Gosh darn.
Dr. Pepper as a chaser. Okay. Move my hair down.
I'm gonna go to some black business. Where did you say you wanted to go? And I said it's a bunch of YouTubers. I can't think of it right now. You was like you want to go in Atlanta?
Oh, in Atlanta?
It's the I can't think of it right
Where
now.
else I want to go?
It's like where it's like a lot of like places to go, like restaurants and stuff like that. It's like an attraction down there.
Okay, you ready for the shot? After this, I'm gonna change my shirt.
Is it bad that I know?
You not ready for it?
This is wash.
Okay, cheers. I don't know how I'm about to do this though.
Take it,
I haven't taken a shot in so long.
Girl, I ain't took a shot since.
I haven't even had a mixed drink. I've had wine, but I haven't had liquor in like 20 years.
What's I have one? They're approaching. Oh yeah. Okay.
That tastes just like Henny to me. Ugh.
He's a weirdo. Do you ever taste buns?
Yes, over there. These beans looking a little suspect.
Refried beans always look suspect.
Right. Well, this gonna be good though.
Anyone?
Hey y'all, good morning. So it is the next day. So girl, today is, what's today's date? Oh my god, I'm so bad with dates. Today is Saturday, December the 4th. So yeah girl, I had fun last night. I haven't seen my best friend in so long. It's been 3 months, which is ridiculous. So yeah, we had fun last night. We ordered Mexican food. So yeah, today, girl, why didn't nobody tell me that today was the day that Bath & Body Works, today and yesterday, they have their candles for I think $10.95. Like what? $10.95? Why ain't nobody tell me? Not even my own mama, and she be keeping me updated with the sales. I'm like, oh my god, and it's already sold out online. So I really want to go to Bath & Body Works today to get me a couple of candles, okay? Because yeah, I love candles. I need a candle, okay? Whether it's 1, 2, 3, 4, I need to get me a candle. So I need to get something, okay? Something. I need a candle. So that's the goal today. I'm about to take out my hair, y'all, because I really want to do this self-care routine. So I'm like doing 2 videos in one. So I'm recording this vlog and I want to go ahead and do the self-care routine video. It's going to take me at least an hour, y'all, to take out these braids. And it's 11:16. I kind of need to hurry up because my mom is going to come. We're going to go later on, probably like around like 2 o'clock. So I need to hustle. If you know about braids and taking them out, baby, they take a long time, okay? Period. I think I'm about to get me a little drink because I'm not gonna be able to eat right now because I'm trying to hustle, y'all. I'm really trying to hustle. I might drink this drink. This blueberry lychee. I don't know how this gonna taste, girl. This might be good. It's this drink right here, y'all. I probably won't eat breakfast this morning because I kind of don't have time. So when I get finished doing what I need to do, I'm going to have to eat lunch or something. So yeah, girl, just coming in, checking in, and my battery's dying. Like, what the heck? Yeah, but I'm going to see y'all a little later. Probably when I, like, get dressed and I'm about to head out to go to Bath & Body Works. Hey y'all, so it's a little bit later. So as you can tell, girl, I done took out my braids. That was like a whole process, but I showed you all how I take out my braids and like what products I use in my recent video that I just uploaded today. So make sure to check that out. It's gonna be the video before this one because this vlog is probably gonna go up on Sunday. But I wanted to come in here and show y'all what I got from Bath & Body. Girl, I almost missed the sale. Like like I told y'all, I did not know that they was having a sale today. Like, what in the world? But yeah, Bath & Body, they honestly had like a lot of like season scents, like winter green, like pumpkin. I like how pumpkin smells, but some of that stuff was like smelling very like cinnamon like, and I don't really like cinnamon scent. So I got 2 candles from me, and then I got my best friend a candle for Christmas, so I'm gonna put that to the side. But for me, I got This one is called Mary Cookie. I have the hand soap in the scent. It smells so good, y'all. It's like, it really smells like a sugar cookie. It smells so good. Like, I really do like this a lot. So yeah, this is really a vibe. And then I got this one, which is called Mahogany Coconut. This, it smells, you know how like mahogany is like a woody scent, and then coconut is just like very subtle. That's what it kind of smells like. Like, it's like a woody type scent. Like, it smells like a man kind of a little bit. And then the coconut is just very subtle. I don't really smell the coconut like that, but I feel like the coconut takes, like, it kind of simmers down the manly scent. I hope that makes sense, y'all. I'm so bad at describing anything. If you know, you know. But it smells, oh, this smells so good. Girl, I might burn this tonight. This smells so good, y'all. This is my favorite one. So yeah, I just got me 2 candles because everything else, I just was not feeling the smells of stuff. And I only spent like $30 because I got 3. Let me show you what I got my best friend. I don't think she's gonna watch this video, but I got her the rose vanilla, and this is the aromatherapy. This, it smells good. Y'all know about the aromatherapy. It's like a relaxation. This one is love. So yeah, that one smells good too, y'all. But yeah, y'all, so I guess I'm about to get ready for, well, not get ready for bed because it's only 10 o'clock. But I'm about to, I guess, put on my little jammies. And I'm about to watch some YouTube because my girl Glamazante posted. I love her, y'all. She's doing Vlogmas, so I'm about to watch her video. And yeah, she's not the only person. Her and Chelsea are like the only people that's been doing Vlogmas that I've been watching. And Kayla Cake, I've been watching her too. So Glamazante, Kayla Cake, and Chelsea, I've been watching their videos. So yeah, and I posted a video today too. Like I said before, make sure to check it out. It's my self-care routine. Girl, yeah, I got a little self-care in today, honey. Okay. Oh, let me show you my Christmas tree, how it looks lit up. Girl, I ain't gonna lie, I don't really like my Christmas tree. I like it, but I don't. Like, I really want to get a tree that's like more full. Like, this one is just giving me very much skinny vibes. But this is how it looks when it's lit up. It's just a little skinny, like, you know. Honestly, I think I'm about to pour me up a glass of wine. Shall we get some wine tonight? Okay? I think we shall. Let me grab a glass. And I'm gonna light my candle. Put on my jammies. So I'm gonna be drinking, this is like my favorite wine, y'all. The Riesling by Barefoot. This is, it reminds me of like a Moscato. This is 8%, y'all, so it's not really, you know. When it comes to wine, I'ma drink it, okay? Period. I'm gonna just pour me a little bit, cause just a little tad. And that's how we gonna do. Let's do a little taste test. So good. Like, this is so good. Girl, try the Riesling. Barefoot is so good. Whew. Yeah, so I guess I'm about to just relax, watch YouTube like I said. Yeah, y'all. So I guess I'll see y'all probably tomorrow.